that I had to get off in order to get this cover off. I had to get one down here at the bottom, here and here, and I had to get one in here, one back here, and anyway, so I had to get a bunch of screws to do this and to take this off so that I can test the spark to see if there is still spark on this. Just want to show you what I had to do. I had to use this extension on the drill. This kind of has like a star pattern on it, and it's kind of hard to see that, but like that. So I'm going to take this off, and here is my spark plug checker. So I'm simply going to put this on here. I'm going to put this in here, and we are going to see if there is spark. I'm going to do this in the dark so that it's a little easier to see. You can see there's some spark in there when I pull this. That shows that we do have some spark in it. Okay. All right, so I guess we got our answer on that. We have spark. Take this off and take that out of there, and we can reconnect this and put it back on. So first I have to remove the old spark plug. This is a 5/8 inch socket. I'm going to put that over this. And to turn to the left. That should loosen it. Okay, until this is ready to come out by hand. So now I'm getting that out. Here's the old one. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So we're going to spin it to the right so it can go down in there. And we want this oriented to the right. There. That is tight enough. We'll put this back on. Okay. Now we need to put the screws back on, and there are 6 of them. Having a good power drill helps. Oh, I need to get this back on too. Make sure that you get this in place. There is a little groove underneath here where this fuel tank needs to go. Okay, so this part goes on the top like this. Make sure you don't get the fuel line in there. They have this type of a head. This is making it easier than the other way I was trying it. Okay, we got to make sure that these are all aligned so that this is going to go on right to begin with. I've got a screw down here as well. That will help if we get that one stationary. Oh, relief. Maybe we'll be able to get the rest in a little easier now. Now that that's done, I think we're going to want one of these other ones with the finer threads. Putting this one down here. Aha. Okay. Now I just got 3 more. I find where they are. Make sure this is going in correctly.